Live from your station for breaking news. This is CBS 21 News at 5.
Well, it's a small local university with some pretty big news. Still to come tonight on CBS 21 News at 5:30, how the career path from the Harrisburg University of Science and Technology is actually paying off for its grads. Harrisburg University of Science and Technology is getting the job done if you go by the amount of graduates that are getting jobs.
As CBS 21's Sherry Christian shows us, opening the door to the 9-year-old institution is opening the door to opportunity for a large majority of its grads.
Science and technology that's the ticket for this century.
And Mel Schiavelli, president of Harrisburg University for Science and Technology, says it's the ticket for 92% of the most recent graduating class. That's because that many grads have secured jobs in their field of study. Dr. Schiavelli says this big news is in part due to the still small size of the university.
Every student has a different life story when they come in, and fortunately we're still small enough that we can take account of those life stories. We can tailor a program to a student's needs and interests, and inviting the corporate world in to design our curriculum and help deliver our curriculum has made the difference.
With 9 out of 10 of the last graduating class getting jobs in their field of study, well, that's a formula these students currently taking class are banking on. The university also prides itself on keeping graduates here in Central PA, noting that graduates went on to work at local companies such as Gannett Fleming, PSECU, Capital Area Intermediate Unit, and WellSpan Health. Dr. Schiavelli says it's those local connections that count.
Connect them early on. It's all about connecting, keeping the pipeline connected, keeping the students connected to their pipeline, and you win.
And it's a connection that's apparently growing, as the class entering this fall will be the largest since Harrisburg U opened its doors. In Harrisburg, Sherry Christian, CBS 21 News.